Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an Instagram account for business with Instagram, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create an Instagram account for your business, start by downloading the Instagram app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. Tap on Sign Up. You can choose to sign up using your email address or your phone number. If you use your email, enter your business email address. Then, tap Next. If you preferred signing up with a phone number, enter it and tap Next. Next, create a strong password for your new account. Make sure it's a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. After entering your password, tap Next again. Now, Instagram will ask for your details. Enter your business name in the full name field. In the username field, choose a unique username that reflects your business. This will be your Instagram handle. Next, select business when prompted to choose between a personal or business account. Instagram will guide you to link your account to a Facebook page. This step is optional, but it can help enhance your business's online presence. If you don't have a Facebook page, you can skip this step. Once your account is set up, you can start customizing your profile. Add a profile picture that represents your business, such as a logo. In the bio section, write a brief description of your business. This is a great space to include key information about what you offer. You can also include a link to your website or other important pages. After finishing your profile, explore the settings to personalize your account further. Adjust your privacy settings according to your business needs. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Once everything is set, start following other businesses and users relevant to your industry. Begin creating and sharing high-quality content to engage your audience. Utilize Instagram stories and reels to showcase your products and services. Monitor your account's performance through Instagram Insights. This tool provides valuable data about your audience and engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.